Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, let me introduce myself. My name is Vela Fusitara with NPM 244-12014 from class Accounting 24. On this occasion, I would like to present a topic about documentation techniques. This topic is very important, especially in the field of accounting and information system, because it is closely related to how a system can be described clearly, systemically, and in a way that is easy to understand by different users. In general, documentation techniques are methods used to describe, explain, and record a system or a work process in a structured and organized way. By applying these techniques, we are able to understand how a process works from the beginning until the end in a clear way. In addition, documentation techniques also help us identify the relationship between different parts of a system without having to be directly involved in the process itself. This makes the learning and analysis process more efficient and easier to follow. Therefore, the application of documentation techniques has very important objectives within an organization. These techniques aim to provide a clear and comprehensive overview of a system, so that the process of analysis and evaluation can be carried out more effectively. In addition, proper documentation can minimize potential errors since every step of the process has been clearly described. Furthermore, documentation techniques also function as guidelines in system development and play an important role in supporting internal control and auditing activities. As a result, the system can operate in a more structured, consistent, and controlled manner. To support proper documentation, there are several common types of documentation techniques that are widely used. First, flowcharts are used to visually represent the workflow of a process, making it easier to understand each step. Second, data flow diagrams, or DVD, are used to illustrate how data flow within a system, including input, process, and output. Next, entity relationship diagrams, or ERD, are used to explain the relationship between data within a database. In addition, decision tables and decision trees are used to support decision-making process based on specific condition or criteria. All of these techniques have different roles, but they complement each other in providing a complete picture of a system. As an example of application, in a Excel system, documentation techniques are used to describe the entire business process in detail. For instance, a flowchart can be used to illustrate the sequence of activities, starting for when a customer places an order until the product is delivered. Then, a data flow diagram shows how customer data and transaction data are processed within the system. Meanwhile, an entity relationship diagram explains the relationship between different data entities such as customer, product, and sales transaction. With this kind of documentation, the system becomes more organized, making it easier to understand, manage, and evaluate. In conclusion, documentation techniques play a very significant role in supporting the effectiveness and efficiency for a system. They help user understand workflow more clearly, reduce the possibility of error, and support better and more accurate decision making. In addition, proper documentation also makes it easier to monitor, control, and improve the system in the future. Therefore, it can be concluded that documentation techniques are an essential part of managing a well-structured and reliable system. Thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.